see it ni kwamba Arsenal tunawachekelea because Arsenal lost to penalties. No, at some point in that game I think Arsenal deserved to win it.
Let's go. Yeah?
I think Arsenal, if they had kept their game intact and be sharp, they would have won that game. After scoring the first goal, they did not have any idea. They just switched off and decided, you know what, we are going to defend this goal. Just like what we've been doing in this entire Premier League season, we might just win this Champions League. This was a matter of kaa chini tactically and being sharp and be able to take the opportunities you have. So Arsenal mistake walifanya ni kupata bao moja, which was a very lucky goal by the way, but then they decided, you know what, since we have the best defense, we are going to rely on it. PSG dominated in that game. Have you seen this? 75% against 25% possession. What the bloody game was that? How do you become unbeaten in Champions League? And then in the final game, you show up these numbers. 25% possession. A team that has been unbeaten in Champions League, you would think that team would dominate. To be honest, I actually thought this was PSG versus Burnley. Arsenal switched off and became Burnley, sitting back and defending. And PSG noticed this. Wakasema, let us just press. Actually think if PSG were awarded, like there were I think two handballs in that game, they should have had at least 3 penalties. Arsenal had a better squad than PSG. Imagine taking off Kai Havertz and bringing Gyökeres, bringing in Gabriel Martinelli, bringing in Eze, bringing in Madueke. The only threat that came from PSG's bench was Bradley Barcola. I don't know why Arsenal did not take a chance. Waangalia waseme juu wametoa Dembele na wametoa Kvaratskhelia. Hiyo ni kumaanisha attacking wise these guys, they are no longer a threat to us. So what we need to do, we need to attack more, because the minute they took off Dembele and Kvaratskhelia, what do you expect? These are the only 2 players who have been lifting PSG all this time. But Arsenal was still scared. This game Arsenal had it in their palm of their hand. But because they were not sharp enough, because they were too scared, they decided to let it go to the penalties. That was their only option. Ambapo sasa there, it could go 50-50. Any team could win. Imagine dominating in the entire Europe, only for you to think of just going to penalties in order to save your ass. You still have a long way to go. 25% possession. You cannot win the Champions League with that. Yes, it might have helped you in the Premier League, but not in the Champions League. Now ukienda na hii system next season in Premier League, the teams are going to figure you out. This season you are just lucky. Next season this might not happen. Anyway, my message to Arsenal fans, see you in 22 years.